This morning is the morning, and I have this time so surprise me. Yes, surprise me, and I still in this time this morning in like 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 this, and I feel that only this time I will give you my plan today. After this, after this, after this, I will several things which I have done because that's urgent to me. This morning I will clean dishes because several much dish in back in behind. I will cook frying rice. So after I will look for my glasses. I will look for my glasses because I need it. You know, that's a vital saying which I have to say from any things which I needed. Looking my glasses. I hope I find it soon and recent. And when again, and it's I have find it again. I take in that place, but where is it? I have to find it again. So in others I find like a name and label, maybe label, and to name in things in place and name it to easy my everything which I have to not to in trouble, because is happen trouble is very bad. I will get label, and oh yeah, I have to wash my clothes because several clothes so dirty, then I need something caring to make a better, because I think that's too dirty. Because you know sometimes we in place which not in be in like crazy like that, not only oh my and this clothes so dirty, oh this have something look bad like that. Another too much. Oh yeah, you know I have several days ago I plan to make one theme, one thema to make my plan longs to me about interesting theme because inspiration may displace because displace uh, like like wave but that wave so make big big change place and that's like crash like make make like crash make crash and that place so make a surprise but that surprise that so large and makes step by step of this and community and place and cultural and anything and civilization or in that place so so different like we walk to to north but that like in clear like a sword like a sword just like that contrary and that's so if 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 we can once in place original in place indigenous ones in that place make take it that useless so I give 10 years that's a long and large and I hope find take that in uh, everything in which I can do it so I several days ago I prepare by several paper and new new color in which make new color take new color take and color in to like place to make a beautiful it's I hope I can buy more than it but I'm not do it yes oh yes yes I will do anything else but sometimes we have do and limits in one day and that's a common people be like that and you know that's a human only be like that only try and try we have planned and sometimes we have too much things so make like this it can help to make to was what our thing and our talking that's a very nice ingenious to say this very nice that's one like me only do like this you know is this insurely too beautiful to was our time and was our place, so we need to around with what we can do around. That's a human too. Sometimes in thing in contrary like that is a commonly. I will say that's a commonly. Beautiful and not beautiful is a sometimes in like a blend and unity. Yes. You can don't say anything. I hope you can not say anything about this because it's not a fun, it's not a funky thing and funky sentence. That's like some things what happened to everyone's, I think, but they will apa what uh, they will feel or not. That's different us in once.